Come with me and be immortal.
You disgust me.